Alright guys, let's get into the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Hey guys, what is up? It's Reese's Tech Pieces here, and I'm back again for another video. I know it's been a while, but I got the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. It just came in the mail, so we're going to go ahead, open up the package, and we're going to take a look and see what I got. I ordered this from eBay, so I'm not exactly sure what's going to be in the box, so it's going to be kind of an adventure opening it up together. So we're going to go ahead, jump right in, do a quick unboxing, and see what's in the box. Alrighty guys, so I have here hopefully the Note 8 and the fast wireless charger. So I've gone ahead and I've opened up the package, so we're going to go ahead and get right into this. So I'm going to first pull out, so the first thing I got out is the Note 8 itself, what you guys came here to see. So we're going to set that off to the side. The next thing I feel in here, so there's just a really thin case. So this is just a really thin plastic. I'm definitely not going to be using this for a long time. It even looks like it's kind of cracked along the edge. This is just something that I might use just to protect against scratches or anything like that until I get a better case. So then moving along, the last thing in the box, I believe, is the fast convertible wireless charger. So here are the contents of the box. So I ended up paying about $5.35 after shipping and all that stuff for these two. Basically, I didn't know the case was coming, but that doesn't really matter. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to get into the fast wireless charger, and then we're going to get into the main attraction, the Note 8. So I'm going to adjust the cameras, and we'll get right into those. Okay guys, so we are back, and here's the fast wireless charger. So one of the reasons why I paid a little bit over $500 for this set was that the guy had the boxes. I love having the boxes with all the phones and stuff like that I end up getting. So we're going to go ahead, without further ado, open this up. So the first thing we see after we open up the cover is the fast wireless charger itself. So this is kind of just basically a puck as it stands, and then if you push back and pull up, you can see it stands up just like the previous fast wireless charger. I'm going to go ahead and grab that, and we can do a quick comparison. Okay guys, so here is the older fast wireless charger. So you can see there's a pretty clear distinction between the two. This one has kind of a faux leather, kind of rubberized feel to it, whereas this one, it's all plastic, hard plastic, except for this rubber ring around the edge. So it fits the phone. Both of them look like they're going to fit the phone pretty well. This one, you can see down there, the little lip at the bottom, it's not quite as big as the one on the new fast wireless charger, but it definitely did do the job quite well. It charged the phone pretty well. I didn't have any complaints with it. And if you guys look around the back, you can see there are some design changes, of course, with this one being convertible. So one of the main design choices being that the new one, of course, like I said, is convertible. And now the new one has USB Type-C, whereas the old one had micro USB. So that's a nice upgrade to have. So now let's move further into the box and see what else we get in the box. So the first thing up top here is a black USB Type-C cable. Then we see the fast wireless charger, or fast charge adapter. We see another USB Type-C cable. This one, I believe, is for the actual wireless charging pad. We see some little booklets, and then a very large fast charging adapter, adaptive fast charger. You can see that there. This one's definitely a lot larger than the other one that came in the box. I'm assuming this one's for the fast wireless charger. Maybe it just has some higher requirements for power, but either way, that is what is in the box. So we're gonna go ahead now, and we're gonna get to the main attraction, the Note 8. So I'm gonna go ahead, get that all set up, and we're gonna go ahead and look in the box. Okay guys, so here we have the Samsung Galaxy Note 8. This is a 64 gigabyte unlocked version, at least that's what the guy said. We're going to go ahead and make sure that it is unlocked today, because I do need one that is unlocked. But first, we're going to get into the box. So this is my first time having the infinity display and kind of the newer style that Samsung has gone. The phone that I have currently is the Samsung Galaxy Note 5. I had the S6 Edge before that, and I love the S Pen and the screen size of the Note series, so this is just definitely the phone that I wanted. The Note 9 should be coming out in the next few weeks, or maybe it's already come out by the time I posted this video. But I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get the Note 8. I'm not going to pay $1,000 for the Note 9. That's just kind of ridiculous. So we're going to go ahead and open up the packaging. So we are first greeted with the Note 8 itself. So there's a little pull tab. So here is the phone. So it looks like the original kind of plastic that came with the phone. The guy kind of put it on there just to maybe help with scratches and stuff like that along the way with shipping. So we're going to go ahead and set that off to the side over there for a second while we take a look further into the box. So we pulled this little cover off, and there are the booklets right in here. So we can go ahead and see what that is. So just some normal manuals, some transferring from your old phone to your new phone, which I will definitely be doing from my Note 5 to the new Note 8 if everything seems to be working. I'm going to put those back. Then, so we open up, there is some plastic that came off of the other adapters and stuff like that that are in the box. So we see the SIM ejection tool that is usually in the booklets, but maybe it just fell out. The USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter. I don't see the micro USB to USB Type-C adapter in here, but that's not a big deal. Then we have another power brick. So I guess the one in the box was not for the Note 8, so that's really cool. It came with an extra one that I did not know was coming. And then up here hopefully should be the headphones. Yes, perfect. So here are the Akg headphones. These are another thing that I really wanted to get with the Note 8, and that's why I spent the extra money. I wanted to see how good the Akg earbuds were. I've heard they were pretty nice, and so that's kind of why I got those. Then we have the S Pen tip removal tools, some extra little earbuds for the headphones, and then the USB Type-C cable. So yeah, those extra cables that came in the box with the fast wireless charger were just extra, so that's nice. Now I have an extra charger too. So we're going to go ahead and take a look now at the Note 8, and I can already tell this is definitely just a really premium device, definitely a lot different than the Note 5 that I have. We're going to go ahead and see if this powers on, and it does. So I'm going to go ahead real quick and go grab my Note 5 so we can do kind of a quick size comparison. Okay, so now the phone has started up, and here is my Note 5 right here. You can see this one was from Verizon. I did a video on this. Go ahead and check that out up there. This one cost me $60. It was a great deal. Love the Note 5. It's been an awesome phone, but I was just needing an upgrade. It's getting kind of old, a few generations old, so that's why I went to the Note 8. So if we look around, you can see that the Note 8 has a much bigger display. It's 0.6 inches bigger. It's definitely a lot taller, not super wide. It's actually probably just a little bit wider with the curve than the Note 5. So really big design, really big design changes came with the Note 8 and, well, the Note 7, but especially the Note 8. You can see they have the all glass and metal sandwich, which was seen with the Note 5 first, and then they have the infinity display, and that is kind of the main draw to the Samsung Galaxy phones, that gorgeous infinity display that just kind of melts over the sides. Really minimal bezels, and kind of an interesting fact is it's either on the Note 8 or S8 Plus, one of those two I think. It actually has a better screen to body ratio than the iPhone X or 10, whatever you want to call it. So next time you hear someone bragging about how there's no bezels on the iPhone 10, just remind them that the Galaxy S8 and I think S9 and all those, they have a better ratio. Yeah. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to get this set up, transfer some files, and we're going to double check that this is unlocked, and we'll finish up the review. Okay guys, so I just wanted to come back just for a second. One thing, I just pulled out the SIM card just to put my SIM card in, and look at what I found in there. A 256 gigabyte micro SD card. I had no idea this was in there. And this is kind of one of the pluses to buying on eBay. It can also be a negative. you don't know what you're getting 100% of the time. Like, I had no idea I was going to get the extra adapter and those extra cables, and I had no idea I was going to be getting a 256 gigabyte micro SD card. I was planning on probably getting a 64 gigabyte card along the way, but this is super awesome to have. So I'm going to come back once I have my SIM card in, and we'll see if it is unlocked. Sorry, that was just a little side note. Okay guys, so I am back. I just finished setting up the phone, and I put the little case on. Sorry about the notification. So everything appears to be working. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and try calling our house phone, and we're gonna double check to see that it is unlocked. So I'm gonna go ahead. Alright, calling it now. And there you go. You can hopefully hear that in the background that it is working. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the web browser, and I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, it wants me to update. Ugh. Okay guys, so I just turned off Wi-Fi, and we're going to go ahead. You can see up there, let's see if I can get that to focus. That it is on LTE right up there. So it's on LTE right now. We're gonna go ahead and take a look. We're gonna youtube.com/Reese's Tech Pieces. Alright. There we go, and we can see that it does appear to be working. We'll see if it loads up. There we go. So the LTE and all that data is working, so it does appear to be unlocked. So overall, I definitely am glad that I bought this through eBay. It was definitely cheaper than buying it brand new, and I got all those extra accessories, the extra adapters, cables, the 256 gigabyte micro SD card, which is absolutely awesome. Got all the boxes. I would definitely recommend purchasing things on eBay, but you just have to be just really careful with what you buy and who you're buying from. Always do your research. Make sure, probably my biggest recommendation would be to make sure that you ask all the questions you need, just in case you receive the phone and something you need is wrong with it. So say I got this phone and it wasn't unlocked. I made sure that I checked with the ad and made sure that it said the phone was unlocked. So if I received it and it wasn't unlocked, I would be able to make a claim with eBay and get my money back. So just make sure you ask all the questions you need in order to get your money back if you were to need that. So yeah, that's about it. Alright guys, that was awesome. I'm super happy with the results from that eBay purchase. I'm really glad I paid a little bit more to get that one. It was in perfect condition, factory unlocked. It had the 256 gigabyte micro SD card. It actually had an extra fast charging wall adapter, as well as an extra Type-C cable that came with it that I had no idea were going to come with it. I got all the boxes and everything with it, so I would definitely recommend going to eBay if you're looking to purchase a used phone. They offer the buyer and seller protection to make sure that you're getting what you pay for, and that's why I emphasize so critically to make sure you ask all the questions you need, just in case you don't get in the mail what you were promised. You can make a case with eBay and get your money back. So yeah, that's about it for this video. See you guys next time.